With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So we have to evaluate the given integral, and the integral given to us is, we have I is equal to, let this be I, so I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We have 2 sine of modulus x plus of cos x whole dx. So mod x will be equal to, from 0 to pi by 2, it will be plus of x, and from minus pi by 2 to 0, it will open with negative sign, that is minus of x. So opening this accordingly, we have I is equal to integration from minus pi by 2 to 0. We have 2 sine modulus x plus cos x whole dx, and similarly we have plus of, from 0 to pi by 2, we have 2 sine modulus x plus cos x whole dx. So if we further simplify, we have I is equal to, from minus pi by 2 to 0, we have 2 sine of 2 sine, and it will open with negative sign, minus of x, and plus cos x dx. And similarly we have plus of 0 to pi by 2, we have 2 sine, this will open with plus sign, and plus cos x dx. So the value of I is equal to, we have from minus pi by 2 to 0, we have this 2 will come outside because it's common, and we have sine of minus x will be equal to minus sine x dx, and we have plus integration of cos x dx, and the limit is from minus pi by 2 to 0, and similarly we have integration 2 will come outside, and integration sine x dx, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2, and we have plus of integration 0 to pi by 2, we have cos x dx. So I will be equal to, this minus sign will come outside, so we have minus of 2, and integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x, and the limit is from minus pi by 2 to 0. Similarly, integration of cos x will be equal to plus of sin x, and the limit is from minus pi by 2 to 0, and plus of 2 times of integration of sin x will be equal to minus cos x, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. And similarly we have plus of cos x, integration of cos x will be equal to plus of sin x, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So I is equal to, we have minus 2, and upper limit minus lower limit will be equal to, this minus and minus will be equal to plus of 2. Now the upper limit is cos of 0 minus cos of minus pi by 2, and we have plus upper limit minus lower limit. In this we have sine 0 minus sine minus pi by 2. And similarly, if we solve these two, we have, and plus of 2, we have minus cos, this minus will come, this plus 2 and minus 1 will be equal to minus of 2, and now upper limit minus lower limit will be equal to cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0, and we have upper limit minus lower limit will be equal to sine pi by 2 minus sine of 0. The value of I from here will be equal to 2 times of cos 0 is equal to 1, and minus of cos minus pi by 2 is equal to 0, and plus of sine 0 is equal to 0, and sine of minus pi by 2 will be equal to minus of 1, and minus 2 times of this cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and minus cos 0 is equal to 1, and plus of, we have sine pi by 2 is equal to 1, and sine 0 will be equal to 0. So from here I will be equal to 2 times of 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and plus of 0 minus minus 1 will be equal to plus 1, and minus 2 times of 0 minus 1 is equal to minus of 1, and plus of 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So I from here will be equal to 2 plus 1, and minus minus will be equal to plus 2 and plus 1. So if we further solve, we have the final value of I will be equal to 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to, we have 6. So final value is equal to 6. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.